Hello everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am showing you how to make this gorgeous and tiny mini tricycle with the flower decoration, and this is made using wool or yarn, and for the base I have used paper quilling strips. So I will also share how to create these flowers in step-by-step procedure. So without any delay, let's get started. Here I am taking my spray bottle to create the ring, which is having 2.5 centimeter diameter, and I am using 5 mm strips and joining total 10 strips to create the ring. You can use any color strips because anyways we are going to wrap it using yarn, so the color of strip doesn't matter here. And this is done. Now just securing it using glue. Then on top of this I am adding glue, spreading it evenly and allowing it to dry completely. And the ring is ready and very sturdy. Now I am taking this beautiful purple color yarn and I am going to wrap it around this ring. So first making 2 knots here and then I will start wrapping it. Here I am making the front wheel for the tricycle. So I have reached till the end. Now I am making some more knots and cutting the excess yarn. Then to create spokes, I am joining one more piece of purple yarn with this, making some knots, and in plus sign I am going to make the spokes like this. In the same way I am going to make one more in opposite side. So this is done, and in the same way I have created one more on other side. So the front wheel is ready. Now here I have prepared this tight coil using one strip of purple color 5 mm, and I am going to stick this exactly in the center between these two spokes from front and back. Attach glue to adhere it, and to decorate the spokes from top I am just adding white color half cut pearls. So the cute wheel is ready, and also I have prepared these two small wheels for back side, which is made using 8 strips with the same procedure, and the diameter of the bottle is 1.5 centimeter to create these wheels. For this also I have decorated with pearls, and in the center I have added half strip of purple color tight coil. So our back and front wheels are ready. Now keep it aside, and I will show you how to make the pipe to connect the wheels and construct the tricycle. So here I am just taking one piece of rough printing paper, and I am going to make one pipe from the corner. Just secure with the glue. Chop off the top and bottom part and make it even on the level. And then I am going to wrap again purple color yarn around this. Cutting the excess yarn and adding little glue and just add the clip to dry. Now I am taking my both the small wheels and I am going to attach one small pipe between these wheels, and the pipe measures 5 centimeters. Now to connect front pipe with the back side, I am taking 8.5 centimeter pipe and sticking like this between front and back wheels. Similarly, I am repeating on other side. Like this. And then with the upper wheel I am adding 7 centimeter long pipe. Similarly adding on another side. So it will look like this. Then I am taking 4 centimeter long pipe and I am going to attach tight coil on other end, which is made using one strip of peach color 5 mm. Here I am making the handle for the tricycle. Now I am sticking the handle on top of these pipes. And a cute tricycle is ready. Now to create bucket or basket in the front, I am taking this cap, which is actually a measuring cup which comes with the medicines, and I am going to wrap one pink color yarn around this. And this is done. I have colored the inner part of the bucket using pink chalk paint. Now I'm making the big bucket or big basket. For this I have created this ring using this bottle, which is having 4 centimeter diameter, and to make this ring I have joined 10 strips of 5 mm. Now here I am taking white color cardstock strip which measures 5 by 30 centimeters, and I'm just curling it little bit using scissors, and then I'm going to wrap it around this ring to make the basket. Like this, allow it to dry. And then in the bottom I'm adding one cardstock circle for the base, and also decorating this bucket also using pink color yarn. And this is done. Now I'm coloring this big bucket also using pink chalk paint from inside. Allow it to dry completely. Then taking back my tricycle, and here I have decorated my bucket using lace on top, and I have added some half cut pearl in the bottom. I kept the back side as it is because I am going to stick it with the tricycle first, and then on the remaining portion I am going to attach the half cut pearls. And also I have attached the small bucket in the front and decorated with half cut pearls. So now I am just adhering my big basket. Just add little glue and stick it on top. Then I am adding pearls on the remaining portions. Similarly, complete this side also. Now here I am taking two small circle pieces of thermocol, and I am going to attach these two pieces together. And I am going to stick these thermocol pieces inside the bucket. So before sticking, I am just coloring it from top using light sap green color. Also color the sides as well. Allow it to dry. And then I am starting with making flowers. So here I am taking two big and one small daisy flower to create one flower. And using sunflower archival ink, I am just coloring in the center part. Spray some water, soak using tissue paper, and then using embossing pad I am going to emboss it from back side using small size groove golf tool. So this is done. Now rotate all the flowers and pinch in the center using ball tool. Adding all three layers together and making one hole in the center using pointed tweezer. Then taking one white color wire pollen, adding glue on the tip and dipping it into white color flower pearls. So the center of the flower is ready. Just pass it through the flower and your cute daisy flower is done. In the same way, I have prepared already some flowers. Now to create leaf, I am taking 1/8 strip of 5 mm sap green color, just cutting one triangle in the corner and curling it using scissors. like this. Now taking back my basket, I have already attached my foam which we have colored using sap green color inside the basket, and now on the edge I am decorating with these leaves. And this is done. Now I'm just tucking my handmade daisy flowers inside the thermocol. So just add little glue on the bottom tip of the flower and then tuck inside the thermocol. If you don't have thermocol, you can also use paper air dry clay. And this is filled with the flowers and it's looking super gorgeous. Now I will show you how to create front flowers. So here I am taking 4 petal peach color paper flower. I am shaping it using ball tool. Rotate it, pinch in the center. Then I am passing one green color wire pollen through this, securing it with glue, and your flower is ready. Very easy. Cutting the excess wire from the bottom and then tucking inside the bucket by adding glue. So similar way I have added some dark peach color flowers as well to fill my bucket. So a front and back flower decoration is ready. Allow it to set for some time. And the cute tricycle is ready. Here in the center I have added one more pipe which is 10 centimeter long, exactly in the center. So I have attached it here and here. And the cute tricycle is done. You can use this as a decoration for drawing room, and it's superbly easy to make. Here for the wheel decoration I have added some mirrors from both the sides just for the decoration. So that's it for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and please click on bell icon for the latest updates. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.